Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back for another awesome unboxing video. Today I have 3 Gemini jets as well as 1 Lufthansa 747-8, and this is a Phoenix models, I do believe. And then I have 2 Delta 717s. Figured might as well get these on the MSP layout before, they're retired and stuff, so. As well as LATAM. Pretty much serve JFK, LAX, pretty much almost everywhere, so that'll be nice too. So let's get these out and let's just check them out. First up, we have this Delta 717. I really like the details on the wings. I've always liked the details on the wings of these things. Family, I own one. I have a bunch of these in the Hawaiian livery. That will be flying at my Honolulu airport, as well as my Kaluhi and Lihu. So let's go back in for a detail here. This might have been the first kind of series of planes Gemini Jets did about a year or two ago, where they started adding the Delta sticker, kind of when you come to the door there, this like the point sky and everything. So that's pretty cool that they added that. So I feel like I have to get like all the A320s, 757s again, because they have that sticker on there too. So it's like, it's more modern, I guess to say, modern 2020, 2024 times. Let's just spin it around here. There's the other side of it. Looks pretty cool to me. It's well put together. Look at that, guys. Love those engines. Delta belly, landing gear looks great. Yeah, nothing really bad to say about it. Very happy to have these in my collection. I think I have a couple more coming too, so just stay tuned, guys. But yeah, let's get on to the LATAM 787-9 Dreamliner. Guys, here's the LATAM 787-9. Honestly, these things kind of do have a smell to them. I love the smell of a brand new model plane. Look at that. Super cool. Let's get it out of the box. Guys, here's the beautiful LATAM. Alright guys, here's the beautiful LATAM 787-9. As you guys can see, engines are on here looking pretty good. Have some details on the front here. You can see the wings. Let's get this thing spun around here. Oh, I love that logo on the bottom there. Wheels look great. Gemini Jets there. Got a space for the stand. Engines look amazing. Yeah, not really anything bad to say about this. Happy to have this in my collection. Add this to the collection of model airports here. So let's get a nice front shot of this here. There's the engines and everything. Looking great, guys. Looking great. All right, guys, we have the Lufthansa 747-8. I think this is like my first 747-8 I own. Just never really got any. So it's like time to just, pull the trigger and get some of these 747-8s. So let's get this open. Land Brandenburg. Must be in like Germany. All right, let's get it open. Guys, here it is. My first 747-8 ever. What a beautiful looking airplane. All the details on it. This thing is massive. I hope they fly these things commercially too for like a long time, because that'll be like just so worth it to even more have this model. Right, here's a view from the top. You guys can see the wings and everything. Nice details with the antennas. All right, guys, here's a close-up of the front of this thing. You can see the engines. Phoenix did a great job with this aircraft. I'm also excited for the NG models to release their 747s as well. Nice shot of the back of the aircraft here. Germany flag. Landing gear looks great. Engines look great. I'm just happy to get this into my airport collection, and especially fly this into like LAX, so that'll be nice. Glad I got this model. Hope you guys enjoy this one if you already have this or own it. Highly recommend getting this. Alright everybody, thank you for watching again today. Model Airport Nation showing you guys these new releases, or newer releases I guess to say, from Gemini Jets and Phoenix models. Been waiting a long time to get these airplanes. Obviously, nothing's free out there, so it took a while here, but we finally got them. Very happy. Hope you guys enjoy your day today, and stay safe out there, and happy collecting. So actually, correction, this is a NG models model. I didn't see NG on it, but I looked back at my purchase and it is an NG model. So it does come with the card as well. So yeah, happy, even more happier, honestly, that I own an NG Models 747-8. So there we have it, guys.